In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt rank fundamentals in TradingView Pro. We'll move slowly and clearly through each step so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open up TradingView Pro and load the chart of the asset you're interested in, whether that's a cryptocurrency, a stock, or anything else you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Indicators menu. You'll usually find this at the top of your charting window. Click on it to open the full list of available tools. This panel is where all the technical and fundamental indicators live, and you can search or browse through them depending on what you need. Inside the Indicators panel, look for the section called Fundamentals. This category is designed to add extra context beyond pure price action, and in TradingView Pro, it includes things like financial metrics, on-chain data, and in our case, social and sentiment-based indicators. Click on Fundamentals to expand that category so you can see more options. Next, within the Fundamentals section, locate the Social group. This is where TradingView organizes indicators that are based on community activity, sentiment, and engagement around particular assets. Social metrics can help you understand how much attention a coin or token is getting, which often ties into momentum and potential volatility. Go ahead and click on Social to reveal all the available social indicators. From that social list, look for the one called Alt Rank. Once you see it, click on Alt Rank to add it directly to your chart. After you select it, TradingView Pro will overlay the Alt Rank data either as a separate panel below your main chart or alongside your price action, depending on your layout settings. Give it a moment to load, and you should see the new indicator appear. Now that Alt Rank is on your chart, you can start using it as part of your analysis. Take a bit of time to hover over the line or bars, read any labels, and understand how the values move relative to price. If you want to customize the look, you can open the settings for the indicator and adjust colors, line styles, or visibility so it matches your charting style. If you'd like to use Alt Rank and other advanced tools in your own account, use the link in my description to sign up and get started with TradingView Pro.